Hello, I wanted to share with you some of our favorite family resources. Whenever we get a little low on creativity or motivation, we pull all these books out. I normally just like to be creative and not use recipes or meal plans. That does not really work for me very well, but these are wonderful. We've collected them over the years, and they've all been very helpful. Especially this one called Plant-Powered Families. This one we have used a lot. The kids love everything in this book, especially the chocolate cake made out of sweet potatoes. It's super good. Out of all of them, I'd highly recommend getting this one if you are in the market. So I wanted to share with you some other fun meal ideas for you, and I hope that you enjoy these pictures.
Do ba 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 do 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 a do ba do ba do do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do, do ba do ba do, a do 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 do, a do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do 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 do, a do ba do ba do 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 ba do. Do ba do ba do ba do, ba do ba do ba do ba do.